Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a package from Beauty Big Bang. They are fixing to have two really amazing sales. I will have all the information linked down below, and I just wanted to share with you the things that came in this package. They will be featured on my channel here very soon. So let's just get on into it. They let me pick out what I got this time. And I got another stamper head. I love that it came in a little protective case so that it'll be safe until I need it, until I use it. And then I got this cute little plate, and it's BBB-013. This is one of the little round plates. And I loved this little image right here, and the big flower in the center, like pebbles or stones. I really thought that was a really cool plate. That's really neat. I got some more nail foils, and I'm going to open them because it's a whole bunch of them. It's a whole bunch of different patterns. A lot of like abalone looking pearls. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Pearls and seashells. Really nice. Love nail foils. We'll be definitely breaking these out and playing with them soon. So there's a bunch of sheets in there, and that's a really good deal. You can get a lot of manicures out of that. So there's that. And then we have some more stamping plates. So these are the rectangle plates, and this one is Beauty Big Bang XL080. I love the little sleeves they come in, and they've got the little instructions on the back. I love that they have the plastic backings. And this one's got some designs on it that I've seen before. I'm going to dim this light down so we can maybe actually see these images. That one, I just really like that one and that one. Well, okay, who are we kidding? I like all of them. Very nice images on this plate though. Really cool. I like that because it's like two different things mixed together. So I will be swatching these and using them in manicures very soon. And this one is XL082. And, oh, it's another one of those scene plates. I love these. Got like tree branches and birds and fairies and stars and like two lovers on a bridge, a sky cityscape, back in frame, and the kitty cats. Oh, I love the kitty cats. And then we've got like another one with dragons and, you know, like knights in shining armor and stuff, and then an underwater one. And then this one looks like the the astrological signs. That's really cool. And then we got some dinosaurs. Very nice. And next we have Beauty Big Bang XL094, and this is one of their new Christmas plates. Y'all know I love the swirly twirly designs. Nice little Christmas trees. Merry Christmas. And the penguins. And like, I don't know what that is. Snowflakes and something. Pines. And then the candy canes and presents. And then snowmen. And then this looks like pine cones. And we got some reindeer. Another snowman. Like a sweater design and some deer. Another sweater design. Oh, look at that. That's cute with the little deer heads or reindeer heads. Love it. And a whole bunch of Santa hats. So there we go with that one. And then another one of their new Christmas plates. And Happy New Year's, because it's got the Happy New Year's right here. Sorry. Got hanging snowflakes. Very cute package ribbon. An angel. I love that. Because I did a video earlier this year, and Randy had asked me to come up with angel images, and I was having trouble, but that's totally perfect. Got some ornaments. I love all these like line designs. You could pick out, you know, and use them You know, you could use them down the nail, across the nail, diagonal. Best wishes. Cute little Christmas tree with reindeer. Very cute plate. Very, very cute. So I will have links for all of these down below. Like I said, I will be swatching all of these plates very soon. I'm going to get on it. I will have all the information for their amazing sales that are coming up. This is going to be some pretty big deals. There are going to be some nice nice sales going on. So I want to hurry up and get these plates swatched for you so you can see the images and play with the nail foils and let you see what all is coming out, like these new plates from Beauty Big Bang. That way, if you decide to place an order, you should be able to get it in time to be able to do Christmas manicures with these Christmas plates. So as always, I want to remind you that if you do order from Beauty Big Bang, I have a % off code. I think it's 10% off down below. It's always listed down below. If you go place an order, use that code and get you 10% off. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.